Salesflare versus Pipedrive, which is best for sales teams. In this video, we'll dive into both CRM platforms, comparing their features, ease of use, pricing, and more to help you decide which one is right for your sales team. But stay tuned, because by the end of this video, I'll share an alternative that could be the best fit for your business needs, and you won't want to miss it. Let's kick things off with Salesflare. Known for its automation, Salesflare helps sales teams save time by automatically filling in data. The software pulls information from emails, calendars, and social media, reducing the need for manual entry. This can be a huge time saver for busy salespeople, especially if they rely on a lot of outreach and follow-ups. But while automation is great, some users have mentioned it's not as customizable as they would like for more complex workflows. And it can feel a bit rigid when you need more flexibility. Next thing to consider is Pipedrive. Pipedrive stands out for its user-friendly interface and sales pipeline management. It's very visually driven, which makes it easy for sales teams to track their deals at a glance. However, the simplicity of Pipedrive can sometimes be a double-edged sword. While it's easy to use, some advanced features might feel like they're either lacking or need to be added on through integrations. If you're looking for more robust reporting or detailed forecasting out of the box, Pipedrive might not offer as much as you need without additional tools. The third thing to weigh is pricing. Salesflare's pricing is on the higher end compared to Pipedrive, but for that extra cost, you get a lot of automation and less manual work. This could be worth it if you have a larger team and you want to scale up faster without bogging down your reps with repetitive tasks. On the other hand, Pipedrive is more affordable, with tiered plans that allow you to scale based on your team's needs. However, keep in mind that the more features you need, the more you'll end up paying. The fourth thing is integrations. Salesflare has a wide range of integrations with tools like Google Workspace, MailChimp, and Zapier, making it pretty flexible if your team already uses a variety of platforms. Pipedrive also supports plenty of integrations, but some users have pointed out that connecting certain tools can be a bit clunkier compared to Salesflare. The ease of integration can make a big difference in how well the CRM fits into your existing workflow. Let's talk about support. Both platforms offer solid customer support, but some users have reported that Salesflare's team is more responsive and helpful. Pipedrive, on the other hand, has a robust knowledge base and community forum where you can find answers to most questions, but response times for support tickets can sometimes be slower. Now, the big question, which one is best for sales teams? Well, it depends. If you're looking for a tool that automates as much as possible and saves your team time, Salesflare could be the winner. However, if you're on a budget and prefer a more straightforward, visually appealing interface that's easy to get started with, Pipedrive might be a better fit. That being said, after trying both myself, I have to say there's an alternative I found that offers even better value. If you're aiming for a more intuitive experience that's packed with powerful features and comes at a competitive price, I highly recommend checking out the CRM linked in the first description below. By using our link, you'll get an exclusive trial and benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Give it a try and see for yourself.